Let's be the title of this book. The Tortoise and the Hare. We know what to do. We need to jump into this book and find the answer to Princess Red's question. First, we look for super letters. And then, put them in our super duper computer. Super duper computer, how many super letters do we need? Whoa! In this story, we need 12 super letters. And then we'll get our super story answer. It's time to transform. Ready? Ready! Arms in. Put your arm in. Letters. Flyers. We're ready to fly.